I'm going to show you how you can get thousands of high quality relevant backlinks if you are doing SEO, because getting backlinks is one of the toughest part of doing SEO, and this tool is going to help you and is going to solve that. Let me show it to you. First of all, here is the OptilinkAI software. It's just a software. You can leave it running on your desktop to get you thousands of backlinks, high quality backlinks. I use the same strategy to rank #1 in so many different niches, and I can show you in my case studies in another video. And I have so many videos that are showing all these case studies, how I rank #1 in German series and most of the series around Germany using OptilinkAI and in very high competitive niches. Okay, stay tuned. Here you can see the software we are using here. Let's go to dashboard. The dashboard, you can see we have the start, the CPU, everything. This is not what we are going to use right now. Let's go to the discovery, and in the discovery, this is where you are going to put in your target keyword, and the software is going to use your target keyword to get you the link opportunities that you can use for your link building campaign. Here inside the data, we can generate our names, and here we use keywords. Let's say my keyword is digital marketing. You can put unlimited keywords. Okay, so let me add another one and say SEO. Another one is web design. This is just an example, and here you can click on the load to upload list of your keywords, and here you can generate the emails that you want, so you don't have to be using the same email repeatedly. And let's say our target website is OptilinkAI.com, and here is where you can put your message for your outreach. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Gemini to get your outreach message. So let's see, I like this blog article. My site is in the same niche, and I just wanna thank you for putting all this time into this masterpiece. Keep it up. Just something simple. This is just for to demonstrate or show you how this works. Okay, and now here we have the target URL, and inside the target URL, this is where we are going to put in our target campaign domains. But right now we don't have it, so we are going to generate some or a lot of it using this tool. Let me show you to you. Here we have our settings, and inside the settings is where we can enable Gemini, and here we can click Gemini and put in our Gemini API key. I'm just going to put this API key. I'm going to disable it after this video. And the discovery, we can save it, export it, whatever we can do with it. The logs, right now we have nothing. So let me go back to discovery and put in my keyword. Let's say my keyword is digital marketing. I can put unlimited keyword, or here I can upload my keyword. So the next thing to do is, or I can go here and say AI search, and inside the AI search, I'll put my digital marketing and click on start. So the AI, I have here error because I have to check my API key. But then if I don't want to use the AI, I can also type it here, and the next thing to do is click on start. So what's going to happen is the start is going to start browsing the internet, all the AI engines, Yahoo, Google, whatever it is, and get me all my potential link building sites. So now it has started. You can see the discovery is working. We have some valid and we also have invalid. So this is how the tool is working, and is going to get us thousands of backlinks that we can use for our link building campaign. So all we have to do is just wait for a minute or two and see how many backlinks we are going to get using OptilinkAI tool. So let me see here inside the dashboard. We have nothing right now. Once we have enough links to start running our campaign, we will come back and hit the start. So for now, let me go to the data, and inside the data you can see the difference. Let me show you something here. You can see the discovery right now. We have valid 86 URLs just within a minute. These URLs, even one of these URLs can cost hundreds of dollars. but we are getting them all for free. So inside the data, if I click on import from discovery, it's going to import only the valid URLs that we are getting here. So if I hit on import discovery, you can see we have them here, right? So but for now, this is not enough for us to start our campaign. Normally what we do is we leave this to run for 24 hours. So after 24 hours, we can get hundreds of thousands of links which we are going to use for our link building campaign. And this is the strategy we use, and it's working 100%. We are killing it in Google. We are ranking #1 for top searches. My next video is going to be the case study videos, which I'm going to show you how this tool help us to rank #1 in major series. Okay, and here in the logs right now we have nothing, and what happens here is it shows you the total logs and the success, the links that we've succeeded to attain and get backlinks from other URLs or the domains, and the failed ones is going to show here. Because this is a high competitive keyword digital marketing, our success is going to be, let's say, somehow around, if you are lucky to get like 10%, that's great, because one backlinks can cost about $500. Sometimes after running this, I end up getting very expensive backlinks, which sometimes I get, surprised. How can I get this backlink for free using this tool? This is how it works, because if I have to pay for some of these backlinks, it's going to cost me thousands of dollars to get them. But OptilinkAI made it possible for us to get these type of backlinks. So now we have about getting to 400 valid links which we can use right now for our campaign. So if I go back to data and click on import from discovery, you can see 373 has been automatically imported from the discovery. So we leave the discovery to run about just few minutes. After that, we can import them and start running our campaign. Now we have about 400. So now I can hit the start. You can see it's running very fast, the process. Total, we have 409. Process is counting, and we have the pending domains. So this is how we use to get this. And you can see here we have success, because this is high, how do we call it, this is very high competitive niche, so it makes the success a little bit low. We have 6, but it's still counting, which is very impressive in this niche, because to get backlinks from digital marketing niche is highly competitive. So this is how this tool works, and once it finishes running, we can export the valid links. So by exporting the valid links, we can check the backlinks. After some few days, is going to pop up and start showing inside Ahrefs, inside SEMrush, Moz, all of these third-party tools. Let's take a look at the discovery. Now we have about 800, which we can return here and click on import from discovery. So just by when I started this video, we are now heading to 1000 valid backlinks in just a couple of minutes. So if you find this interesting and want to try for one of your domains, one of your links, or one of your money sites, or tier 1, tier 2, whatever it is, just click the link in the description below. You can download a free trial of OptilinkAI and just try it yourself and see how effective this tool is. Now pending is finished, we can head to the logs. You can see we have 25 success backlinks just within few minutes. If I click on import discovery, we have 700, and we can run the campaign again, and our link is going to keep on doubling and going up and up and up. So consider subscribing. Just download the free software. You have the free version of this software, the same thing. You can download it, you can try it and see how it's going to work for you. And if you need more help, just reach out to us and we are there to help you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Have a beautiful day.